my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy LSR254, man, tuning in for another one. Like most times, I'm already on to the next one before I even drop the video, the live video. So, it is what it is on that one. Y'all still come up with a name for me. Headed to the next job. It's actually like the next day. It wasn't nothing but a tune-up, so I was like, man, why not just go ahead and knock it out. Plugs, wires, the plugs, wires, oil filter, oil change. Yeah, they thought that I was going. They had to bring it to me. Nah, I'll come to you. I pretty much got everything I need. Got some ramps. Got the little things to keep the car in place. Sockets to drain the oil. Got the thing to catch the oil. Like I said, then the new spark plugs, spark plug wires, of course. Then yeah, so I headed to the parts store to go get the parts that I need. Well, actually, I'm here to go get the money to get the parts. That's definitely something I would do. Like whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? I definitely need. I'm not coming out of pocket for no parts. It ain't no. That's one thing that I probably won't never do. It won't be no crazy. It won't be no crazy markup on the parts. You know what I'm saying? Like all of that'll just be in my labor, which it won't be crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's just a good friend of mine. That's how he do business. He ain't ever marked up on parts, and that's what I'm gonna do. I don't even think, like, from the last video, like, oh, come up with a name, and I don't think I'm gonna do it like that. I already got a whole lot of shit on the plate. I don't know. But if you know me and it's something small, then holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that I would really want to fool with like radiators. Let's see what else. Like radiators, water pumps. Like, I mean, I can. The price gonna go up, but I prefer the quick job. You know what I'm saying? The alternators, the oil change could be, but I ain't really just trying to necessarily bust nobody's head for the oil change neither. Or really get into the repetition of doing it. But yeah, I think I still would. I don't know, cause like I said that I want to be GM only, but then it's like you kind of shortchange yourself on that. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's really honestly still up in there, y'all. But we're gonna take it one thing at a time, man. We're going to get the money to go get the parts for this next job, and I'll cut you back on. All right, so we got the parts. Just left the store. Air filter, PCV valve, wires, the whole shebang. I bought some wheel chocks separately, just so I wouldn't have to. I got some at home, but they currently under the tarp, so I just grabbed some for us. And then we got our spark plugs. Went back with the original equipment, so that lets you know that it's a GM vehicle that we're gonna work on. All right, so we got the Saturn, another product of GM. Surprisingly, doesn't even have. I think she was telling me it didn't even have 75,000 miles on it. So we're gonna get off in here. I already changed out the PCV valve, which is right here. Come on, there you go. That's the new one. We got the old one right here in the box. Honestly, with it not having that many miles, it may not really been an issue, but too cheap not to replace while we here, and too easy to replace. So from here, gonna pull off an oil cap, set that up there. They got these little hold downs on the spark plug wires. I'm gonna take them out one by one, get them replaced, cut you back on. All right, so we got those out. Got the first spark plug out. AC deal code, original equipment 41629, which is exactly what we putting back in there. All right, so we got two spark plugs in, two of the wires. I got the little hold down for those right there. Go ahead and, since I'm right here, I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the air box. It's kind of like playing car mechanic simulator. No real diagnosis involved though. Filter definitely could use a new lease on life. So we brought one of those. We'll pop that one in, and we'll move to the other two spark plugs. Alright, so new air filter, new plugs, new wires, new PCV valve. It's pretty much consistent with the tune-up, unless it's a coil pack issue, but she didn't mention any check engine lights. Beautiful. Yep, under 75,000 to 2001. All right, so I didn't really do any beforehand research on the oil filter and location. I figured it'd be pretty self-explanatory, which it looks like it is. Oil filter right there. Drain plug right there. So yeah, get this oil drained, get the new oil in, and go from there. Alright y'all, we got a little bit of a technical difficulty. Oil filter don't want to move. I might have to go get a new tool. This is why. Alright, so recap. Successful job. I made a rookie mistake though. Like I left probably like the most important tool of all. I thought I was gonna be able to strong arm it off with the oil filter. So I had to go buy me an oil filter wrench and go from there. So after the oil filter wrench, everything was pretty much a breeze though. We got everything else done. It was good to go. So I am definitely pleased. I saw some things. I did see some things that was like, I don't know, like a little bit sketchy, so to speak. I gotta come back there. I just gotta go shower, get ready for work. But yeah, I saw some things that was a little bit sketchy. That nothing that was preventable or Like you see where, you know, maybe possibly other people worked on the car and they didn't put stuff the way it was supposed to be. Yeah, so but overall, first successful JOBZ. Actually, we are 2-0. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. I gotta go hop in the shower, get ready to go slang some car parts. So identify your weaknesses, make your strength. I was all about choice to choose wisely and productivity of procrastination. And remember, also don't stop, grind don't stop. Go.